My proudest legacy will be that of a peacemaker and unifier. That's what I want to be, a peacemaker and a
मैं एक
unifier.
शांति
I'm
समर्थक
pleased to say
और ये
that
मेरी
as of
सबसे बड़ी
yesterday, one day before
प्रतिबद्धता
I
होगी।
assumed office, the hostages in the Middle East are coming back home to their families.
इजराइल के हॉस्टेजेस वापस आना शुरू हो गए हैं, इसका भी जिक्र मैं कर रहा हूं यहाँ पर, इसीलिए मैं खुद को एक पीस मेकर की तरह कहता हूं।
Thank you. America will reclaim its rightful place as the greatest, most powerful, most
अमेरिका अपनी उस
respected
जमीन
nation
को वापस
on
पाएगा
earth,
जो इसके लिए एकदम सही
inspiring
है।
the awe and admiration of the entire world. A short time
पूरी
from now, we
दुनिया
are
के लिए
going to be changing the name of the Gulf of
प्रभावी देश
Mexico
बनकर
to the
दिखाएंगे।
Gulf of America, and we will restore the name of a great president, William McKinley, to Mount McKinley, where it should be and where it belongs. President McKinley made our country very rich through tariffs and through talent. He was a natural businessman and gave Teddy Roosevelt the money for many of the great things he did, including the Panama Canal.
पनामा कैनाल का जिक्र किया जिसे रूजवेल्ट ने बनाया था, और पनामा कैनाल को लेकर डोनाल्ड ट्रंप पहले ही कह चुके हैं कि हम उसे वापस लेने की कोशिश करेंगे।
Than ever spent on a project before, and lost 38,000 lives in the building of the Panama Canal.
38,000 लोगों की मौत हुई थी पनामा कैनाल बनाते वक्त।
Never been made, and Panama's promise to us has been broken. The
पनामा
purpose
का
of our
हमको
deal
दिया गया प्रॉमिस तोड़
and the
दिया गया है।
spirit of our treaty has been totally violated.
इस
American
ट्रीटी
ships
को पूरी तरीके से
are
वायलेट
being
किया गया।
severely overcharged and not treated fairly in any way, shape, or form, and that includes the United States Navy. And above all, China is operating the Panama Canal, and we didn't give it to China, we gave it to
और इससे
Panama,
ऊपर
and
चीन
we're
अब
taking
पनामा
it back.
कैनाल को ऑपरेट कर रहा है जिसे अमेरिका ने बनाया, और हम इसे होने नहीं देंगे।
Above all, my message to Americans today is that it is time for us to once again act with courage, vigor, and the vitality of history's greatest
मैं अपने देश
civilization.
के लोगों से कहना
So
चाहूंगा,
as we liberate our nation, we will
पूरी
lead
हिम्मत के
it
साथ
to new heights of
नए
victory
समय
and
का मुकाबला
success.
करें, तैयार
We
रहें।
will not be deterred. Together we will end the chronic disease epidemic and keep our children safe, healthy,
हम
and
पीछे
disease-free.
नहीं हटेंगे जब तक हम
The United
क्रॉनिक
States will
डिसीजेस
once
को
again consider
मात
itself
नहीं
a
देते।
growing nation, one that increases our wealth, expands our territory, builds our cities, raises our expectations, and carries our flag into new and beautiful horizons. And we will pursue our manifest destiny into the stars, launching American astronauts to plant the stars and stripes on the planet Mars.
हम अमेरिकन एस्ट्रोनॉट्स को मंगल पर भेजेंगे, जो वहां पर स्टार्स और स्ट्राइप्स को वहां पर मार्क करेंगे, यानी अमेरिका का झंडा मंगल पर एस्ट्रोनॉट लेकर जाएंगे। और एलन मस्क इसके बाद बहुत ज्यादा खुश होते हुए भी दिखाई देने लगे, क्योंकि उनकी ये योजना है।
Is the lifeblood of a great nation, and right now our nation is more ambitious than any other. There's no nation like our nation.
कोई भी देश हमारी तरह नहीं
Americans are
है।
explorers, builders, innovators, entrepreneurs, and pioneers. The spirit of the frontier is written into our hearts.
हमारे यहाँ
The
उद्यमी,
call of the
बड़े
next
व्यवसायी
great
सभी मौजूद हैं।
adventure resounds from within our souls. Our American ancestors turned a small group of colonies on the edge of a vast continent into a mighty republic of the most extraordinary
हमारे
citizens
पुरखों
on
ने
earth.
एक खाली
comes
कॉन्टिनेंट
close.
पर हमारे देश
Americans
को
pushed
बसाया,
thousands of miles
एक
through a
कॉलोनी
rugged
बसाई
land
जो अब एक शक्तिशाली
of
देश है।
untamed wilderness. They crossed deserts, scaled mountains, braved untold dangers, won the Wild West, ended slavery, rescued millions from tyranny, lifted billions from poverty, harnessed electricity, split the atom, launched mankind into the heavens, and put the universe of human knowledge into the palm of the human hand. If we work together, there is nothing we cannot do and no dream we cannot achieve. Many people thought it was impossible for me to stage such a historic political comeback. But as you see today, here I am. The American people have spoken. I stand before you now as proof that you should never believe that something is impossible to do.
मैं आपके सामने खड़ा हूं ये बात बताने के लिए कि कुछ भी इम्पॉसिबल नहीं है.
From New York to Los Angeles,
न्यूयॉर्क से लॉस
Philadelphia to
एंजल्स,
Phoenix,
फिलाडेल्फिया से
Chicago
फिनिक्स,
to Miami, from Houston to right here
मियामी,
in
ह्यूस्टन
Washington,
और
D.C.
वॉशिंगटन.
Our country was forged and built by the generations of patriots who gave everything they
हमारे
had
हमारे
for
देश को
our rights
देशभक्तों
and
ने
for
बनाया
our
है.
freedom. They were farmers and soldiers, cowboys and factory workers, steel workers and coal miners, police officers and pioneers who pushed onward, marched forward, and let no obstacle defeat their spirit or their pride. Together they laid down the railroads, raised up the skyscrapers, built great highways, won 2 world wars, defeated fascism and communism, and triumphed over every single challenge that they faced.
हमने हर चैलेंज पर जीत हासिल की है. हमने हाईवेज बनाए, स्काई स्क्रैपर बनाए, रेलवे के ट्रैक्स बिछाए. हमने विश्व युद्धों में जीत हासिल की.
America promise, and we will rebuild the nation that we love, and we love
हम
it
एक
so
बार
much.
फिर से अमेरिका को मनाएंगे,
We're one
ऐसे
people,
देश
one
को जिसे हम
family,
बहुत
and
प्यार
one
करते हैं.
glorious nation under God. So to every parent who dreams for their child, and every child who dreams for their future, I am with you, I will fight for you, and I will
मैं
win
आपके
for
साथ
you.
हूँ, मैं
We're
आपके
going to
साथ
win like
लड़ूंगा.
never before.
मैं आपकी मदद के लिए हूँ, ऐसा कि जैसे पहले कभी नहीं था.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. In recent years, our nation has suffered greatly, but we are going to bring it back and make it great again, greater
पिछले कुछ दिनों
than
में
ever
हमारे देश
before.
को जो
We will be a
नुकसान
nation
हुए,
like no other,
जो
full of
सेटबैक्स आया,
compassion,
लेकिन हम
courage,
एक बार
and
फिर से इसे
exceptionalism.
ग्रेट बनाएंगे.
Our power will stop all wars and bring a new spirit of unity to a world that has been angry, violent, and totally unpredictable.